Hello everyone. How are you? I hope everyone are feeling good. Okay. Before we'll start in our lecture for today, I will first introduce to you my name. I am Marvin Dandahan, a BSEd English 2A. For today's video, we will be having a short discussion about the topic that I assigned. Also, I will share with you and give you information about it on how we utilize this method in teaching grammar. So now, let me ask you first, what is grammar? I know everyone has an idea about it or you have already background about grammar. Am I right? Okay, so if we talk about grammar, it is the set of rules that regulate how sounds, words, sentences, and other elements are combined and interpreted in a language. So that is the grammar. In teaching grammar has different methods that we utilize in our student in order to assess their English skills. And teachers have used various approaches to teaching grammar to train literate English writer. And now let's talk about the interactive teaching. This is the method or techniques in teaching grammar. So these techniques have multiple benefits. The instructor can easily and quickly assess if students have really mastered the materials and the process of measuring student understanding in many cases is also practiced for the materials. So I will talk about the use of interactive methods for teaching, encouraging more dedication towards the lesson materials. We will see some interactive teaching tools, interactive teaching ideas, and of course, interactive teaching games. So not only will I talk about the use of interactive methods of teaching, but I'll also give you some example of methods used in the present classroom as well. Now the question is, what is interactive teaching? So if we talk about interactive teaching, is a means of instruction whereby the teachers actively involve the student in the learning process by way of regular teacher-student interaction, student-to-student interaction, use of audiovisual, and hands-on demonstration. So the students are constantly encouraged to be active participants. So meaning, if we talk about interactive teaching, entails instructing students in a way that encourages them to participate positively in the learning. So it simply means that interactive teaching, the aims is to engage students in their learning process. So you must allow the students to participate in class by thinking independently and using their minds, which leads to long-term memory retention. So not only the student knowledge will improve, but their interest, strength, knowledge, team spirit, and freedom of expression will increase as well. Uh, this method allows teachers to tailor their lessons to the different learning style of students. For instance, each student can be given a large flashcard with a word on it, and the students must physically arrange themselves into a proper sentence. The other games can include word puzzle or fun online quizzes. So, the main point of interactive teaching to involve facilitator and learners. So, of course, there is a interaction between the teachers and the students. So, encourage and expect learners to participate. So, you as an instructor, you must encourage your student to participate in class. So, use question to stimulate discussion, emphasizing the value of answer. So, and of course, if you are an instructor, you must give your student hands-on experience so that their critical thinking skills will be able to develop or improve. So, use teaching aids to gain and retain attention. And there are three effective interactive teaching strategies. The first one is think, pair, and share. This strategy set a dilemma or a question for your student to solve based on a common theme. Allow enough time for each pair of students to come to a proper conclusions and allow them to express their conclusion in their own voice. So your students will be more involved, communicative, or communicate more and remember more than even before. The second one is brainstorming. So this strategy, interactive brainstorming, is done in a community environment. The method can be used to generate new ideas and thoughts. Brainstorming teaches students how to collaborate and, most importantly, how to learn from one another. The third one is buzz session. So this strategy, participants are divided into session groups that focus on a single topic. Every student in each group contributes their thoughts and ideas. Encourage students in each community to talk and collaborate with one another. So all should benefit from the ideas and perspective of others. So as an instructor, you might send your students some conversation starters in the form of keywords. And of course, there are many others interactive teaching ideas as well, such as individual student activities, student pair activities, student group activities, and interactive games activities. So, interactive teaching styles are designed around a simple principle. Without practical application, students often fail to comprehend the depth of the study material. So, interactive teaching is also beneficial for you as the teacher in a number of ways, including first, measurable student accomplishments. So, meaning teachers making use of interactive teaching styles are better equipped to assess how well students master a given subject material. Second, flexible in teaching means applying training methods that involve two-way communications will enable you to make a quick adjustments in processes and approaches. Third is practice makes perfect. So, interactive instruction enhances the learning process of the students. So, the last one is student motivation. So, two-way teaching dispels students' passivity, and when more students are engaged, you'll have much more fun too. So, interactive teaching approaches are an important way to engage with a generation of students who have grown up in an environment where they are constantly stimulated. So, that's all for the interactive teaching method. I hope you learned something to my video or to my discussion. So, thank you for watching. Bye.